Once again, we write number 1 at the corner of our triangle. And here we write the sum of these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we created Khayyam Pascal Triangle. And once again, let's write lines for our triangle. Line number 0, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, and line number 4. And how to use these lines to write a formula for a plus n to the power n. A plus b to the power n. Let's do it. It's quite easily done. This first line corresponds to a plus b to the power 0. This is just 1. And a plus b to the power 1 is just a plus b. So these two coefficients, a and b, is written here as a to the power 1 and a to the power 0, and b is written in the opposite way, b to the power 1 and b to the power 0. And that's why this is equal to a plus b, because 1 is not written. A to the power 1 is just a, and b to the power 0 is 1. So this is equal to a plus b. Next, if we write a plus b to the power 2, we take the first element of our expression and write it here in our triangle in next way. We write a to the power 2, a to the power 1, and a to the power 0. And element b is written in opposite way. This is b to the power 2, b to the power 1, and b to the power 0. And it will be the formula for our shortcut multiplication. This is equal to a to the power 2, a squared, plus 2ab plus b squared. Next, a plus b to the power 3. To write shortcut formula for this expression, we again use line number 3 of our triangle and write element a as a to the power 3, a to the power 2, a to the power 1, and a to the power 0. And write our b in opposite way, b to the power 3, b to the power 2, and b to the power 1, and b to the power 0. And this will be formula for our shortcut multiplication. If we rewrite it, it will be a to the power 3, a cubed, plus 3, a squared, b, plus 3ab squared, plus b cubed, and so on. Let's again here write shortcut formula for a plus b to the power 4. It will be along the same way. We take our first element and write it here along the line number 4 as a to the power 4, a to the power 3, a to the power 2, a to the power 1, and a to the power 0. And b is written as b to the power 4, b to the power 3, b to the power 2, b to the power 1, and b to the power 0. And this will be formula for a plus b to the power 4. If we rewrite it, it will be a to the power 4 plus 4, a to the power 3, b plus 6, a to the power 2, b to the power 2, plus 4, a, b to the power 3, plus b to the power 4, and so on. We can use our Khayyam Pascal triangle for any expression a plus b to the power n. Using previous formula for a plus b to the power n, and we already know how to use Khayyam Pascal triangle to write shortcut formula for this expression. Let's write a formula for a minus b to the power 5. And since a minus b can be written as a plus minus b to the power 5, we can use a previous formula for a plus b to the power n. First, let's write coefficients of our Khayyam Pascal triangle and write 5, choose 0, plus 5, choose 1. Let's write it. Plus 5, choose 1, plus 5, choose 2, plus 5, choose 3, plus 5, choose 4, and plus 5, choose 5. We can calculate these coefficients easily using previous definition. Next, we write for our element a along the same line as we explained earlier. It will be a to the power 5 plus a to the power 4. Here we have a to the power 3, a to the power 2, a to the power 1, which is just a, and a to the power 0, which is 1. And for b, for minus b, we write this in opposite way. Minus b to the power 5, minus b to the power 4, minus b to the power 3, and minus b to the power 2, minus b to the power 1, and minus b to the power 0. And if we calculate these expressions, we can see that 5 choose 0 will be 1. We can calculate this easily because 5 choose 0 is equal to 5 factorial over 0 factorial, which is equal to 1 by definition, actually. And 5 minus 0 is again 5 factorial. 5 factorial over 5 factorial will be 1. And we can use it. So we have 1, a to the power 5, and minus b to the power 0 is 1. Here we have, if we calculate 5 choose 1, it will be 5. So we have 5 a to the power 4 minus b. And that's why we write here minus 5a to the power 4b. Here we will have 5 choose 2 will be 10. It will be 10 a to the power 3 and b to the power 2. 5 choose 3 will be equal to 5 choose 2. This is also 10 a squared and b cubed. And since we will have here minus, we write here minus 10 a squared and b cubed. Here we have 5 choose 4 is equal to 5 choose 1 by previous feature of this object. It will be 5. So we have 5 a and b to the power 4. And last, 5 choose 5 will be equal to 5 choose 0. This is equal to 1. We do not write 1. This is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this is minus b to the power 5. And if we rewrite what we have, it will be a to the power 5 minus 5 a to the power 4b plus 10 times a to the power 3 b squared minus 10 times a squared b cubed plus 5 a b to the power 4 minus b to the power 5. So now we can write a shortcut formula for any mathematical expression a plus b to the power n, or a minus b to the power n, because we can write it as a plus minus b to the power n using Khayyam Pascal Triangle. It was everything for this tutorial. Like us and subscribe, and thank you very much for your attention.